Come this side. Okay, hello guys. We're looking at Devdi's posters. You sure they can hear?
Yeah, they can.
Okay. So yeah. He has used negative space very well because movies that try to show such emotions that are dark, they use black. This has so much white in it.
And it feels like the bottle is kind of magnifying what is going on inside his head.
Yeah. Like a lens into his life, let's say. And that's obviously alcohol ka bottle, which he abuses very severely in the movie. Disco ball, I think that's a very Anurag Kashyap thing. Disco, 80s, even the costume that the guys are wearing. Disco theme.
Also, the funny part is that the singer that you see on the sides is not any of the main characters, but still we see in the poster.
Yeah.
Because the song plays a very important role in the film.
Yeah. And not just this film, even if you watch Gangs of Wasseypur, they have these people coming at every birth, every death. They just come, sing, like very actively sing, celebrate death in a way. They just leave. They have no purpose. The colors, I don't think he sticks to certain colors. It's just like bright.
Just a mix of.
Yeah. It's a mix of random colors that make you a little uncomfortable.
Like some people
why the
might
guitar?
think- yeah, exactly. Why the guitar is so
Isn't this musical movie itself so musical? Every song is like
this is a
different
musical.
phases.
Devdi is a musical.
Oh, I didn't know that. Then now it makes sense.
Do you
no?
see the dancers in the bar who were dancing?
Yeah. Nayantar se wale na?
Yeah.
Pardesi.
They are
sorry.
the Twilight dancers. उनका YouTube channel भी है. They are like professional dancers जो waiters dance करते थे.
Even the Khoya Khoya Chand is this movie ka, na? I think so. Khoya Khoya Chand. Which movie?
नहीं.
Which? Hey, it's this Kalki ka movie. Sorry, never mind. I didn't know it was a musical.
Yeah, it was a musical.
Are you sure?
कहीं पे तो मैंने I think while I was making the video I said Anurag Kashyap said this that it is a kind of a musical.
Kind of musical, okay.
I'm not.
But yeah, cause see, the phone's there. But if you go to their playlist, it's like there's a song for everything. It's very musical. Yeah, come fall in lust. So it shows the
You know,
two
he's
beautiful
smoking
ladies.
out a heart.
Oh, didn't notice that. But yeah, so it's like him burning love, and they're showing her before Paro, because I think she is the full like lust thing. No? She plays the entire role of a very lustful woman, where she doesn't even like consider lust. She was actually in love. This guy was the one who had lust for her. Is that a joint? Oop, yes.
अरे टेरेस पे भी वो जॉइंट ही फूकता है.
हाँ. ये भी जब लेती है ना हाथ से. See again colors, those uncomfortable combinations.
Yellow
Pink,
is-
purple, greenish yellow, and then this bright green. Symmetry again. This is such a weird poster. Because what is he doing? What is this?
No, I think was that in some song?
I don't remember. See, it's so weird. Those are the blinds. It's just some picture they took during the.
The weird part is that they put a picture of Abhay Deol.
In Abhay Deol.
No.
That's Abhay Deol.
Yeah. अरे अभय देओल है, पीछे ब्लाइंड्स है और पिक्चर कहाँ प्लेस किया है आंखों के ऊपर.
Blinded by blinds. Yeah, certainly. And yeah, so the guy just thought ki, oh, you know what? I've put Abhay Deols, 2 Abhay Deols on Abhay Deol, so I'll make sure that there's no more Abhay Deols. So I'll put some other girls, crispy.
अरे अजगल
Juicy.
मतलब वही है कल्की.
That's not Kalki's
That's
lips.
Kalki. That's Kalki's lips. See, right?
This girl recognizes Kalki's lips now. What do I say? But yeah, they look very. Oh, they look so like. There isn't a nice way to say this, but they look Like a horse lips, like lots of glitter. Because you know how their makeup is very out there. So,
But do you think that this is not lips and this might be some kind of a
what?
that this signifies the vagina?
Yeah, could be.
Come fall into lust. Come
Yeah.
fall into
Have they
the
written
vagina.
anything else here?
Nothing.
No. Nothing they've written.
And there's this pink vapor coming out of the lips.
Yeah. This is also about lust, but I see. Don't you think Dave is very narcissistic? मतलब कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है बंदे को. You remember how disconnected he was from his own family, and how the elder brother or younger brother was quite connected, but this guy was always out of touch. He never like respected also so much that he had to get sent away somewhere else. There also like some stupid life he was living. He's so into himself. He just cannot see beyond himself. And lust and alcohol is only when he actually thinks about something other than himself. This is a great poster. Lots of
And you know
symmetry
how
again.
the lips are so much bigger than his entire face,
Yeah.
which means that the lust has engulfed him.
Yeah. To a point where it's bigger than him. Who's the Paro,
This is
na?
such a beautiful poster.
Yeah. You wanna make something like this? Oh, with like you and me.
This is so beautiful.
But they're both looking down, I say. Beautiful poster though. They're trying to show the contrast.
So beautiful.
Hey, what is this random sunset here?
It's not a sunset.
What is it?
What is
What's
it?
that random shape? It's the void between both their necks. You know the optical illusion that says ki, oh, if you see Coca-Cola bottle first, you're this, but if you see a guy and a girl,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, I think it's about optical illusions.
Illusions in both of their minds.
Yeah. About how this girl was so deluded, she thought he actually loved him. And this guy was also crazy.
What's the time?
It's there. 1:05.
1:05.
Hey, this is boring.
No, this is also nice. It's like a synopsis here on the. They use alcohol bottle a lot.
This is तो very like quite a direct interpretation of the original Devdas, no? कि हाँ पीता है फूकता है. That's his entire identity. Son of a rich. Hey, see, they've said Paro is married off to someone. That's not how it is. She literally chooses. That's what's different in this version, no? But Paro was so smart to let go of this guy.
I think more than smart, thoda ego bhi tha.
Yeah.
Feels.
No, but don't you think that was necessary? Like, she needed to get away from this idiot. Or she would have destroyed her life.
That's true.
Remember you said this one person, I cannot name drop, sorry. They called this movie very dumb, and like they called Dave's character very dumb in your assignment.
Yeah. I know that.
Let's talk about that. How do you feel?
First of all, that person was analyzing the colors in the film, and it was very weird, and the entire presentation was very weird because they like dumbed down the entire thing.
Yeah.
And they called Dave an idiot. They were like, why does this Paro goes back to this idiot? Dave is a loser. And more than that, it felt like that person didn't have enough words to describe the character, because a character is never a single dimension. A character has so many layers to it. So
And this
obviously,
movie very beautifully explores all dimensions of him. We see him vulnerable.
Exactly.
We see him on the bathroom floor.
angry. We see him in a lot of different emotions.
Not just him, even Paro. She has a whole ass family, kids, and she goes to Dave's motel and she.
उसके बच्चे नहीं थे.
हाँ, first marriage से. But yeah, she has a whole ass family and she still goes to Dave's house. Doesn't let him do anything to her. She washes उसके bathroom में बैठकर उसके कपड़े से झाड़ती है वो. भाई, it's like you can never move on. It's such beautiful dimensions we get to see. And this is what you say, this is what you see.
So I agree that he was a loser, he was an idiot, but that is not all he was. he was so much more than that. Like mostly you see Dev in a very negative frame. That is true.
Yeah.
But wo negative emotions are also so many.
Yeah.
You cannot like dumb down his negative emotions to only two
Yeah.
parts. Ki bas yahi hai.
We're in no way defending his behavior or whatever. Just
Yeah,
saying.
feminist, huh?
Yeah.
Real
I love
feminist.
Abhay Deol, but it's a beautiful movie. It's written
Yeah.
well. It's directed well. If you've picked it to do an assignment, at least
Just
don't
do some
dumb
justice,
it down.
yeah.
Because it uses colors beautifully.
Because what I thought was the person was using these words to make the audience laugh. कि हाँ भाई dumb है, loser है, fucking
entertain
है.
कर दिया मैंने क्लास को. ओ मिल
But
जाएगा.
no one was laughing because the people who have actually viewed this movie literally put this film in a very top position.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. How I think I found this movie through some Instagram page, and those 2-3 second के clips were so beautiful to watch. They're so visually like so stunning. And not just that, like I said, it's a musical, so it's not just the visuals. Musicals are supposed to be very dramatic, exaggerated, but also toned down because it's a very dark and depressed
And
type
you
of
know,
a
see
movie.
how the smoke has been turned into the,
It's very geometric.
yeah, paper crippling.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
They could have shown smoke only, but they showed like the sharp edges. See, that's the thing. This posters, the movie, it's supposed to make you uncomfortable. It's supposed.
It's also like for me it means that you know the smoke that's coming out, it's breaking him into two.
Yeah. See, two colors also. Yeah. We will extend this conversation. There is a part 2 coming soon. Subscribe.